Wait.
Oh, I don't know. Is he? Oh! He's in the house. It's a battle. Look how big his belly got.
I think it's dead.
Yeah. Nice. Wow.
He like
That's what he's meant to do.
he ate it like a noodle.
That's cool.
Pretty brutal.
Awesome. God, this is huge. Look at his belly. Crab legs. Oh boy, look at that belly. I haven't let him get that full in a long time. What?